The MOVO GM-5. It's practically an 18-inch gooseneck conferencing mic that is designed for use in lectures, Zoom meetings. In fact, it can be used in all manner of ways. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Please show some love and support by subscribing to our channel just now. It's very much be appreciated as 20k is our new target. Cheers! So yeah, this is the MOVO GM-5. Right now it retails at a reasonable price of just £40. That's around 47 in US dollars. Everything inside comes fairly well packaged. As you can see, we get a very small but detailed user setup guide. There is a real weighty mic stand base, which looks very modern looking. It feels quite durable. And as you can see, there's that MOVO logo to the top. Included is an XLR locking mic port, as well as a microphone touch controlled mute button, with plenty of grip on flat surfaces, thanks to those 4 rubber feet on the bottom. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. Shifting to the front, we have a Type-C power port, where you can go ahead and plug in that provided Type-A to Type-C power cord. Now this Type-C power cable, it will enable you to have an interface so you can basically record in 24-bit. That is via a laptop or desktop devices. We do have a 3.5mm interface too, for live monitoring of your microphone pickup quality. And lastly, as we grab that bendable, posable XLR mic, we're going to push down that locking mechanism, insert the microphone, and yes, it's time for some action. Hey, what's that about? Now the GM-5 is a unidirectional microphone. It has a cardioid pickup pattern, and with that provided foam filter on the end of the microphone, it should provide sufficient protection against possible distortive plosive letters, for example P, B and T letters. It does state it has a dynamic frequency range, but you know what, let's just simply put it to the test. First, let's connect it to our laptop, which should automatically connect and set up within a few seconds. Now because this is a conference microphone, it is quite tall, so I've gone ahead and bent it into position. And I am indeed sat quite comfortably back against my chair. So 2 feet away from the microphone, and there's a reason for that. It does have quite a good voice pickup. It's certainly loud, and yes, if you have seen some of the cardioid microphones that I've reviewed on my channel, most of them are basically studio mics, where I've gone ahead and sat around about 8 inches away from the microphone. With this one today, because it's only got the foam filter on the end, we don't want our voice to become distorted. And that's exactly what will happen if you sit up close and personal. So yes, be free to be comfortable within your room. Place it a distance away. And as an example, our voice today is nice, crisp and clear. Now our laptop is a gaming laptop. It does have 2 big internal fans. And as you can tell, they don't seem to be picked up that much. No, there is very little background static. And because, as mentioned, this microphone has a cardioid pickup pattern, no, there's no directional microphone sound. So if you go to the left, if you go to the right, if you go above and below, you'll notice, if you've got your headset on that is, that there is no directional microphone pickup. Again, this is a unidirectional microphone. But how well does that microphone mute switch work? Well, let's test it out. Yeah, I know, quite annoying, right? Yeah, alright. Right, so yes, the B, P and T letters, when it comes to those plosive letters, we can sit back and we will test them out. B, 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 T, 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 B, B, BB gun. T. Yeah, not bad, right? So yes, this MOVO microphone has a really good voice pickup. I can't really complain about it. Again, it is for conferences, it is for face calls. And I would say if you want to use it for gaming with your PC, bear in mind when you're running a game on your laptop that the fans are going to be running at full speed, and you may pick this up if this is sat right next to it. An overhead microphone might be more suitable for any type of gaming, And if you want to know, does it work with a PS4 or PS5 console? Yes, indeed it does. And lastly, when it comes to latency, there's not any type of latency issues whatsoever. So as you can tell, my lips are in sync with the voice pickup just now. And again, the microphone is placed quite back. It's actually 3 feet away just now. And yeah, it's still quite good. I'm impressed. Yeah. So yes, that is the MOVO GM-5 18-inch gooseneck microphone. For its rating, well, for its design, I'm going to start by giving it a good 8 out of 10. It's not a bad looking microphone, as broadcasting microphones go, that is. But when it does come to that audio, well, this XLR mic does indeed have a good frequency range, and we just think it's quite handy that you get that one touch mute button. It's very convenient. But yes, for its audio pickup, we are going to give this Cardioid microphone today a 9 out of 10. For its functionality, again, another 9 out of 10, with an overall score of, yes, 9 out of 10, and that is basing it as a podium microphone. That is within a microphone category, where those mics are good for lectures, conferencing, streaming, and video chatting to your mates, yeah. So yes, this microphone is suitable for both PC and Mac, and if you want to check this out for yourself, I have left a handy little link in the video description down below. Now, I'm not affiliated in any type of way, you're free to check that link out should you wish, but if you've liked what you've seen within this video, well, why not go ahead and go get yours, that is, if it's suitable for your needs. Anyway guys, while you're in that video description, it means so much if you please like and share this video. Most importantly, please support this channel by clicking that subscribe button. Bearing in mind to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now, it's been fascinating reviewing this quite different microphone than what we used to, and we've got some more interesting tech reviews coming in the next few days, so stay tuned for them. As usual guys, I hope you all stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!